Short-form video assessments are a great way to engage students, but it's important to make sure that everyone has access to the tools they need to make them. Students come to our classrooms with varied backgrounds and experiences. Assuming a student has access to something like a smartphone or high-speed internet can unfairly impact some students. For this reason, I try to make it very clear how students can access resources that are available to them. For sourcing video equipment and materials, look into equipment rental. Look to see if your institution has a media library that lends out things like cameras, tablets, or even smartphones to students. Another resource may be a designated campus media lab. Many universities have media labs or production facilities where students can have access to cameras and other audio-visual equipment. In terms of Wi-Fi access, inform students on the reach of campus Wi-Fi networks. And if they need to edit videos off campus, you can look into resources that can be accessed using a VPN. A final thing to remember is that not all students will feel comfortable asking for help. To ensure accessibility, include information on resources in your syllabus or attach them to your specific assignment. Thank you for watching this series on creating short-form video assignments. If you want some more tips, be sure to check out coursehero.com/faculty club.